What if I told you the United States just built a fighter jet so powerful that it scared allies, confused enemies, and shocked even veteran pilots? A jet that many thought belonged to the past but came back stronger, smarter, and deadlier than ever. In an era of hypersonic missiles, drone swarms, and AI warfare, why would America double down on a fourth-generation fighter? And why are rival nations watching it more closely than stealth jets? Stay with me because by the end of this video, you'll understand why the F-15EX Eagle II might be one of the most dangerous air dominance machines flying today. Welcome back to US Amazonia, the place where the world's most feared military machines are broken down, exposed, and brought to life. If power, dominance, and modern warfare fascinate you, you're exactly where you need to be. Picture this. A massive twin-engine fighter sits on a runway, sunlight burning across its metal skin. The engines roar not like a scream, but like controlled rage. This isn't a stealth ghost hiding in the shadows. This is a predator that wants to be seen. The F-15EX Eagle II, built for the United States, exists for one purpose: absolute control of the sky. Not sneaking, not hiding, winning. The Eagle II is the newest evolution of a legend, a jet born from decades of combat experience, Cold War paranoia, and a simple American obsession to never lose air superiority. When the original F-15 first flew, it was designed with one brutal rule: never be shot down. Decades later, that promise still stands. And the F-15X takes that legacy and injects it with modern warfare steroids. This aircraft wasn't created because the US lacked stealth jets. It was created because even stealth has limits. In massive wars, think Ukraine, think Taiwan, think NATO versus peer rivals. You need payload, range, speed, and reliability. You need a jet that can carry an entire arsenal and still fight its way home. That's where the Eagle II enters the story. The roots of this machine go back to a time when the US Air Force watched Soviet fighters grow faster, higher, and more lethal. Engineers were pushed to their limits. Failure wasn't an option. The original Eagle was born from fear but refined through confidence. Over the years, pilots trusted it with their lives. Engineers trusted it with upgrades. And when the questioner who see what replaces aging fighters fast? The answer wasn't something new. It was something proven. The F-15X was shaped by hard truths. New stealth jets are expensive, slow to build, maintenance heavy. Meanwhile, threats are multiplying fast. China is expanding its air force. Russia, despite losses, still fields dangerous aircraft. Missile arsenals are growing. Drone warfare is exploding. The US needed a jet that could be fielded immediately, upgraded endlessly, and dominate in numbers. So they turned to Boeing, and Boeing did something bold. They took a legendary airframe and rebuilt it from the inside out. New digital flight controls. A fly-by-wire system replacing old hydraulics. An open mission system that can accept future weapons not even invented yet. This jet isn't just modern, it's future-proof. Under the skin, the Eagle II is a monster. Two engines push it beyond Mach 2.5. That's faster than most modern fighters dare to go. At those speeds, distance collapses. Enemies don't have time to react. The jet can climb like a missile and strike before radar operators even finish shouting warnings. And then there's payload. This is where things get scary. While stealth fighters carry weapons internally and sacrifice numbers for invisibility, the F-15X carries war openly. Up to 29,500 pounds of weapons. That's more missiles than some entire squadrons. Air-to-air, air-to-ground, hypersonic weapons. This jet can be a missile truck, a strike fighter, or a command node all in one mission. Imagine an enemy pilot seeing radar light up with not one, not two but dozens of inbound threats. That psychological pressure matters. War isn't just physics. It's fear. And the Eagle II delivers fear at scale. Inside the cockpit, the pilot isn't overwhelmed or they're empowered. A massive digital display replaces old gauges. Sensor fusion pulls data from satellites, drones, and other jets. The F-15EX doesn't fight alone. It fights as part of a network. In future wars, this jet may act as a quarterback or directing drones, guiding stealth fighters, launching long-range missiles without ever crossing enemy borders. And here's the twist: this jet can be flown by one pilot or two. That second seat? It's not just for training. It's for managing complex battles. Think of modern air combat like a real-time strategy game. One operator flies. The other controls sensors, weapons, and coordination. That flexibility is rarer and priceless. You might be wondering if this jet is so powerful, has it actually fought? The F-15 family has. Extensively. From the Middle East to air patrols across Europe and Asia, Eagles have dominated airspace for decades. They've intercepted hostile aircraft, enforced no-fly zones, launched precision strikes. And here's the statistic that still shocks military analysts. The F-15 has over 100 air-to-air kills with 0 confirmed losses in aerial combat. 0. That reputation matters. In modern conflicts like Ukraine, air dominance or the lack of it has defined the battlefield. Russia's inability to fully control the sky has stalled advances and cost aircraft. The lesson is clear. Air power decides wars. And the US isn't gambling that lesson on untested ideas alone. Compared to rivals like China's J-20 or Russia's Su-35, the F-15EX doesn't pretend to be invisible. Instead, it overwhelms. More missiles, more speed, longer range. While stealth jets sneak in first, the Eagle II cleans up everything else. It's the heavy hitter that arrives when the fight gets serious. And here's something most people don't realize: the F-15EX can carry hypersonic weapons. Weapons so fast that interception becomes almost impossible. That means this jet isn't just about dogfights. It's about strategic strikes, deterrence, power projection across entire regions. Before we continue, let me ask you, would you rather be invisibly broken bar or unstoppable? Because in the next part, we're diving into comparisons, hidden abilities, and the terrifying future role this jet is being prepared for. Don't go anywhere. If you think the F-15EX is impressive now, wait until you hear what it's being prepared to do next. Because this jet isn't just built for today's war, so it's designed for conflicts that haven't even started yet. Let's talk comparison, because this is where debates get heated. Many ask why the US would invest in the Eagle II when stealth fighters like the F-35 exist. The answer is simple: different tools for different kills. The F-35 is a scalpel. The F-15EX is a hammer. While stealth jets slip past defenses, they carry limited weapons. The Eagle II follows with overwhelming force. In a high-intensity war against a peer enemy, you don't win with elegance alone. You win with mass. Against older Eagles, the X version is almost unrecognizable. Stronger airframe, digital backbone, radar so powerful it can track multiple targets hundreds of kilometers away. Pilots describe it as flying a supercomputer with wings. And unlike older jets, this one is designed to be upgraded endlessly. Software updates can change how it fights without changing hardware. That adaptability is critical when threats evolve yearly. Here's a wild fact: this jet can launch more air-to-air missiles than any fighter on Earth. Think about that. In a single sortie, it can control an entire airspace. Enemy pilots don't just face one threat, they face a wall of inevitability. And there's another layer. The F-15EX can operate with unmanned systems, loyal wingman drones, recon platforms, electronic warfare assets. In future conflicts, especially against China in the Pacific, this matters. Vast distances, limited bases, The Eagle II's range and payload give it an edge, where logistics decide victory. Psychologically, the jet sends a message. When allies see it deploy, confidence rises. When rivals track it on radar, calculations change. It's not theoretical power, it's visible, measurable dominance. Did you know the Eagle II can be ready for combat faster than most modern jets? Maintenance crews love it. Pilots trust it. In long wars, reliability wins battles as much as technology. Ukraine has proven that. The best weapon is useless if it's grounded. As tensions rise globally from Eastern Europe to the South China Sea, the F-15EX stands as a reminder of an old truth. Sometimes, evolution beats revolution. Sometimes, the deadliest weapon is the one refined by experience, not hype. And now, imagine this jet screaming across the sky, loaded with weapons, connected to satellites, guiding drones, controlling battles beyond visual range. That's not science fiction. That's the role it's being trained for right now. This is why the F-15EX Eagle II isn't just respected, it's feared. If this breakdown opened your eyes, let me know in the comments. So would you rather fly a stealth ghost or a missile-packed beast like the Eagle II? And if you want more deep dives into the world's most unstoppable military machines, smash that like button, share this video, and subscribe to US Armor Zone right now. Because the next machine we uncover might be even more terrifying.